Hello everyone, my name is Ásdís Valdimarsdóttir and I'm very grateful for the opportunity to get a chance to work with The Exhale. I think The Exhale is an incredible enterprise, keeping us sane in these strange times and allowing us to stay in touch with students and do the work we do despite everything being cancelled. So I'm very grateful for this opportunity. I'm doing my first class on June 11th, and in my classes this summer I want to address big problems with viola in general. So varying from technical things, like the first class will be concentrating on how to actually twist your arm, supinate it, in order to get around the viola, and it's very easy to do it wrong. With just a few little adjustments we can make it so much easier. I learned a lot from body mapping, and especially from Jennifer Johnson's book What Every Violinist Needs to Know About the Body, and I would be so excited to share with you many things I learned there, particularly about this, which was my personal issue. My left shoulder, I had a lot of pain in it, and it took me a long time to get rid of it, and only after I discovered the body mapping is when I had some success. So feeling a lot better now. A couple of other things I want to do in my classes this summer is discuss also tone production. It's so easy to put too much pressure on the string if you want more sound. So we go to muscles instead of actually releasing and breathing and allowing all the overtones to really ring, so your whole instrument is vibrating as much as it possibly can. Another thing I want to talk about is some of our core repertoire, namely mostly the Arpeggione Sonata and the Brahms Sonatas. In both those pieces we have huge questions about which octave to play things in, and how to get the really singing element in Schubert, and in the Brahms Sonatas how to fulfill Brahms's concept of a piece for clarinet when we play it on the viola. There are so many things to discover about both those pieces especially, and I look forward to seeing you and working with you on these pieces or anything else you might want to bring. Very happy to work with the Exhale, and thank you to the Exhale and the organizers of Exhale for giving us this opportunity. Thank you. Goodbye.